Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate a mock spread in a mini dashboard layout happy planner. I'm going to use Sunkissed. These are some new stickers, new florals that are available in my shop, hopefully now. They will or have released on Friday, June 30th. This spread is for the week of June 26th through July 2nd. And let's see where I want to get started. I did go ahead and take my sticker kit, these boxes, and I cut them down to fit in my mini boxes. So if you're like, where did you get those sizes from? I just basically all I did was cut them in half and pieced them back together so that we have some boxes that will fit inside of these mini happy planner boxes. So anyways, I did that ahead of time just because, just so I would be ready. So let's go ahead, and I think I want to start like maybe with this. So this is my mini sticker sheet and this is my small sticker sheet. You'll notice that on these sheets there's a black line. It was a mess up on my part with Cricut. So anyways, it's I'll fix it. I just haven't done it yet. I printed a whole bunch of these stickers out to have ready for my reps and for these videos, and so I had already printed them out and the black lines were already on there. So it's just something I've got to fix, but it'll get fixed. But anyways, so yeah, these stickers, like I said, available in my shop now. There are 7 new designs and 3 new quote designs. And I also have a coupon code. If you use the code July 25, you will get 25% off all orders of $10 or more in my shop for the month of July. And July, the word July needs to be in all caps. So July 25, save 25% off, and my website is thepleasantlyplanned.com. All right, so I think, so I just took one of these little stickers and cut it in half because I kind of want to continue a little bit over into the sides of this corner floral. And so, yeah. I think it's getting ready to storm again. It's just been a very stormy day. It's looking pretty dark outside again. So hopefully I can get through this video without it getting too loud and rough. But yeah, and I just realized too, if you watched my other videos, like I suppose they would be my videos from the week before this one. I was saying something about using summer quotes, and then I said, I know technically it's not summer, but y'all, I'm filming this on June 22nd, and like, wasn't yesterday the start of summer? So y'all are probably screaming at me, but yeah, it just dawned on me, like, duh, it is summer. It is officially summertime, Casey. So I can use my summer quotes. Actually, it would be videos from this week, but whatever, all that aside, I did not even think that it was already summer. Like, May just flew by, probably because I was so busy with orders and moving into my new office, and now it's almost July, so I didn't even realize that it is summer. All right, so already these stickers are giving me all the vibes. I love them, love them. Okay, so I'm not sure what else I'm going to do to this spread, to be honest with you. I don't really want to cover up these. I really like the Happy Planner's new dashboard layout, saying looking ahead, important, and then notes. I really like that now, because it used to say, like, what did it say, calls and emails or something, I don't know. And I was never really crazy about those headers, so I always whited them out, but now I like these, so I'm going to leave them. So let's use a sticker that, this is so big. I don't know which one I want to use. I don't know. Maybe I could use a new faith quote. Hold on, let's see. Where's my faith quotes at? I had some out. Here they are. No, that's not them. Where's my faith quotes? I don't know what I did with them, y'all. Maybe this is them. Okay, so she is strong. How about worthy? Rooted in Christ, created with a purpose. This is Faith Quotes 13. These are brand new. I don't know. I can't decide. I want to either use worthy or she is strong. might use Shea Strong. Let's just try it. I wish I had these in clear, but I sent all my clear ones, I think, to my reps. I don't want to do that. I want to, yeah, I wish I had clear ones. Ooh, this is white permanent, or my white matte, and it's pretty sticky. Okay, all right, we're gonna like that, whether we like it or not. So now I'm thinking, actually, that I may go ahead and put a box on this side. Maybe 2 boxes. I might put these 2 boxes here. So let's see how we can do this. I'm kind of thinking I want to put maybe a box like here. So now I'm deciding. I'm debating. I think I'm going to put this box here, maybe this way, and then white out looking ahead, and maybe put this one over here. Let's try that. And then we can decorate around these with florals. Alright, so I am going to white out looking ahead. I'll take that back. And we're going to stagger this just a tad, but I am going to white out the line, the black line, and the purple, or this lavender color, lavender bluish color, so that it's not too bright or too dark behind my white in my box. So I just hope I can lay this down fairly straight. Okay, all right, that's fairly straight. So now I think I'm going to take this and maybe cut it in half and use it to line. I want to just decorate around these boxes. So the reason I changed my mind about the boxes is because I wanted to use the quote, but then once I laid the quote down, I thought it looked a little bit strange out here, so I want some florals like wrapping around my quote there. So hopefully that makes sense to y'all. So let's see, let's cut this like right about here. And then I'm actually going to have to cut this clear edge off. Sorry about the clear edges, but it's just because of my Cricut, or my Cricuts. I have to do it that way. I know sometimes it's a little bit frustrating, but it just has to be that way. I wish that I had a $30,000 cutting machine, but I do not. If I did, all my problems would be solved. Okay, so that did not go as planned because I wanted to I wanted to put that there, but it's okay. It's okay. So where is my wax paper? All right, let's take this one. Let's take this and cut it maybe at an angle. I want to go take a nap so bad. Oh, it's killing me. I woke up too early this morning, or maybe I stayed up too late last night. Why don't we make it that sound better? I stayed up too late last night on TikTok. Okay, I am not going to put that there. I'm going to save this, and I'm going to grab a bigger one and kind of make it go around here. So this one is already curved. I'm thinking I want to try to use this one. So we're going to have to attempt to peel this up, even though it's like super duper sticky. And place this down here. I don't know how I want to do this. I cannot envision this in my head. All right, that's okay. And so then we're gonna pick. Actually, I'm gonna cut this with my X-Acto. I should have done that while it was on the sticker paper. That would have made life a lot easier because I just cut it crooked, as normal, as I usually do. Okay. All right. Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay. So that is really cute. I like that a lot. Now I'm actually thinking that I kind of want a little something up here, so I'm just going to take this little piece that was left over and just like put it up here on top of this box. And then I think I'm going to take this leftover piece and keep going. But I'm just going to cut a little bit of it off. I told y'all I was going to do voiceovers, but I haven't got there yet because I wanted to talk through these videos, but it is so warm in here. I'm ready to turn on my AC. Actually, I'm ready to go crawl in the bed and scroll on TikTok, but that's not going to happen right now. All right, look how pretty that is, y'all. And then I think I want to put some, do I want to put some washi? I actually had this washi picked out, but I think it's going to be too much. Oh no, it might be kind of cute, actually. So I might wipe this out and turn these upside down and put this black and white washi across the top of both pages. I don't usually go across the top of both pages, but I think I will this time. It's raining again. Alright, that's not going to work. I was going to try to do them at the same time, but it's not going to work. So we're going to do this. I'm so terrible at lining these things up. Okay. Yep, it's pouring again. Okay. There. So now we're going to cut these apart and cut this off. And trim this, let's see, maybe like that. Alright, that's pretty. It's pretty. And I kind of don't know, should I go across the bottom? I'm going to cut this at an angle. I don't like the way I cut that. So we're going to go do that again. I don't like that halfway straight cut looking thing. So I'm wondering if I should go across the bottom too. I think I'm going to give it a shot. See what it looks like. I'm going to go below that line. And then pull this over here. Line these up again. I think this washi is almost empty. Oh, come on. Okay. Sorry, I might fast forward this. I don't know. I really don't want to, so you can just skip forward. I don't want to have to edit all these videos. Okay. Alright, there. I did not use the full strip here, so we got to cut this excess off. I just cut the page, but you know, that's normal too. Okay. Alright, let's do the same thing on this side, and then I'm going to angle that like I did on the other one, on the other page, and then we're going to put my boxes down on the right side, and then I'm going to be done, because I'm ready to be done. I want to turn my air conditioner back on. It's hot in here. Where is my We Are Memory Keepers? I'm going to have to use my Crocodile Punch real quick. This is down in the description. We Are Memory Keepers. It's just a single hole punch for the Happy Planner. Not made by the Happy Planner, not made for the Happy Planner, but it works. Alright, so now let's cut this at an angle to match the angle that's over there. And, okay. Alright, now let's do my boxes. So, I do have these boxes already cut. The one thing that I'm noticing though, or that I'm thinking about, is the fact that I'm going to have this burgundy purplish color on that side, but not on this side. So, I'm kind of thinking that I may want to put put it over here as well. So I think I'm going to go ahead and just make one, and I'll show you what I did to make a smaller box. So I just cut it in half, and then I'm just going to line it up, put them back together, lined up, and you will not be able to tell really that I cut it. Okay. And then I think I'm going to put this over top of tasks, just so that I have this color on this side of the page. So we'll put it there, and then I'm going to white out this black line. And so we'll just put this over here. And then we will move on to the other side. It's a little bit crooked. Okay, other side. Moving on. Now I have, let's see, let's do this color. I was just trying to figure out what color to do where. So I'm going to do this color here, down here. And then we'll do this color and then yellow. Yellow. Okay, so now I just want to decorate a little bit with flowers. I never did kill that stupid fly. It's still flying around here. So I'm just going to take this last little sticker. Sorry about the fly buzzing. I hope it doesn't drive you crazy. Just take that flower, cut it in half, and put it right up beside these boxes here. So we have florals there, and then we'll have florals here. Actually, I'm going to cut a little bit off of this because it's going to be, I like for my florals to kind of line up with the size of the box. Unless I'm going to continue curving, I don't like for florals to be sticking out. All right, and then I feel like I need like a little bit more here, or another floral there. So I want to find a piece of this that I can kind of trim up just a little bit. So don't be afraid. I always say this, don't be afraid to trim up your stickers. I definitely want the leaf to be sticking out, but not the floral. So I'll show you what I mean. Alright, so I cut it to fit the length of my box. Pretty close anyways. It's not perfect, but my leaf is still sticking out. Okay, so I'm almost wondering if I couldn't have just continued up with some florals. I might try to do that. Let's see if we can do that. I'm feeling like super creative today. Not with that one, we're not going to. Okay, maybe we're not. No, we're not. We're going to leave it. We're going to leave it alone. All right. So I think I'm done with this spread. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, you'll give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're on Instagram, follow me over there. So let's put it back in my planner, see what it looks like. And I will turn on my air conditioner. The sun's shining now. So, okay. I will see you guys on my next video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye, guys.